What's up, everybody? I hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving, and I know I did. Welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. This video is just going to be a quick little unboxing of some products I bought from Detail Division. If you guys haven't checked them out, I would encourage you to do so. They have some really nice products. They have some of the best microfibers out there. They have the Clean microfiber line. They carry Carbon Collective. They carry some Coach Kimmy, and they have some other brands, some really nice products there. But they had a sale for Thanksgiving and I couldn't pass it up. Just picked up a couple things, and I didn't get this for the sale, but this is a magazine that they sell. It's Pro Detailer. I think it's based out of the UK. If you guys want to learn about detailing and products and things of the, along those lines, Pro Detailer is a great magazine. It has some really cool articles and things. I want to show you this one. So they just did the Krispy Kreme logo on this article, and it's talking about hand polish and glaze. So they go through all these different products and the results, and they have a really scientific way of doing their tests. I wanted to flip through this. Is kind of difficult to do one-handed, but see all these different polishes that they compare. So they go through and do a lot of comparisons of all these different polishes, and it's a pretty scientific breakdown. It's a pretty involved process. A lot of information, a lot of detail in there, no pun intended, but good magazine that they sell through Detail Division. So I've picked these up in the past, and not on this shipment here, but I have in the past, and I would recommend check those out if you guys want to learn. Watching my channel, you can learn some things, but this Pro Detailer is probably going to have a wider breadth of things around ceramic and polishing and things like that. So if you want to up your game, this would be a good magazine for you. All right, so get this box open, and one thing I like when you buy something from Scott at Detail Division, that's his name, he'll write thanks on the box, and he'll also send you a little note. Guy's awesome. I've actually reached out to him quite a bit, and he's always there to answer questions. Any little thing I might have a question about or want to talk to him about, he's always been helpful and been very good to correspond with. So I like giving people like that my business, So without delay, let's get this razor on here and open this thing up. Here. All right, dog. Man, gotta be Hercules to get this tape off of here. Gives you a nice sticker. Joker writes a little note, and just tell you guys that's the level of attention this guy pays to his customer, which is rare, very uncommon in this world, and I just appreciate the hell out of it. The guy could just box it up and send it to you, but he takes the time to write a note and talk about the products and what he thinks about them and how he hopes you're gonna enjoy using them. So man, it's just awesome. So here's what I picked up. Got me a couple of little bottles here. So there it is. I've got the Clarity glass cleaner. This is for the exterior only. It has some hydrophobic properties, and it's going to be a good addition to the platinum glass ceramic coating that I've already applied to my windshield. It's supposed to be able to kind of go and supplement that, or refresh it in some sense. And so looking forward to using that. And then this is Nuovo. I've done videos on Nuovo on the interior. It's just a really nice interior detailer. It has some SiO2 content, so it's got a little bit more ability to protect the surfaces on your interior, like your leather, plastics, your dash, your doors. Makes it look really nice. So yeah, those are the two things I picked up on the sale. And I'd recommend. I haven't used Clarity yet, but looking forward to trying it, and I will probably do a video with platinum ceramic and Clarity as a combo, and how I like to use them in the future. So anyway, that's the unboxing there. Not too exciting, but just two really good products that will be useful for me in maintaining my vehicles. And I really, if you're like me, there's nothing better than clean glass and a really nice clean interior. So these two products will go a long way to keeping my vehicles nice on those two fronts. The interior, you know, you spend all your time there, so you want to make it nice. And this Nuovo stuff, man, I've given this stuff away to some of my friends that have seen what it does to the car, and they've said, hey, I'll take the remainder of your bottle. So that's why I had to, you know, go and replace one. I'd given, like, I had a third of a bottle left that I'd gone down to a little car show and met up with a buddy, and I said, hey man, you know, here, if you need some of this, you're welcome to it. And he's like, hell yeah. So I gave him, you know, the little third of a bottle, so I had to replace it. And then Clarity Glass, I'm looking forward to using this. So, you know, look forward to some more videos, you know, demonstrating these products. But again, Detail Division, I would recommend you guys, if any of you are serious about detailing, that's a good site to check out. They have excellent products, excellent support. Scott's the man. That guy, he's awesome.